Hello. In this very short introduction, I just want to show you that I just bought my Whiteline sway bars along with the end links and stuff like that. And I'm not going to show you how I'm going to install them, because I'm not going to install them. I'm tired of laying beneath the car. Maybe someday when I buy a stand, maybe then a lift or whatever it's called. But anyways, I'm on my way to taking them to the service to change them. I tried to do before with some like cornering left and right, and then we're gonna do after and measure the if the car is really rolling that much from the outside. But honestly I didn't have much time because they just arrived and I just have to take them to the service, so I apologize for that. But I'm going to give you my first impressions and my review. This is a stock suspension Evo 10, so this is the first suspension mod that I'm doing. I'm on Michelin Cup 2s and I'm going to give you my review. Currently the car has a little bit of body roll, and I really hope that we're going to eliminate this. I'm going to add it, as you probably know, there are 3 settings here. I'm going to set both of them to the middle one and we're going to see what happens. Okay, so in case you were wondering how easy it is to adjust them, so I'm in my garage. As you can see, it's very tight. I have just removed the front right wheel. As you can see, currently it's in the most stiffest setting, and I'm just gonna use my key to access this area behind. I'll screw that and you should be ready. Also, something to keep in mind. Currently I have lifted both wheels, as you can see. That way there's no pressure on the sway bar. If only one of the wheel is lifted, obviously the suspension is going to push the other one and there's going to be tension. I was having this issue last time while I was moving it from the middle to the stiffest. It didn't turn out that good. There's some understeer, so I'm bringing it back. And this is how you do it. Basically, it should be very easy for anyone to do it. Okay, so what can I say about the sway bars other than that they are insanely good? I can say that they're probably currently the best upgrade that I've done to the car, except for maybe the rim up, but I haven't invested anything. It's just a change in the software. So yeah, for that price, it's incredible. You probably saw from the before and after, but the roll is pretty much gone. There's very little, and I wouldn't say that's a body roll really, because when you like turn a corner, it used to like stay, and then after a second or something just push you on the other side, and this is not it's not happening anymore. It's very progressive. There's no swamming the weight left and right. So yeah, I think that fixed a lot of issues with the car. And yeah, so what comes next is gonna be the suspension. Actually, it's already in the car and I already have an opinion for it, but I'm gonna save it for the next video. But what I can say here is, for the money, this is, I would say, even a better upgrade, the sway bars, because the suspension is in the same amount of money. So it's better with the suspension, of course, but here we're talking like a quarter of the price. So yeah, thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time.